Ladies and gentlemen, Kamani Rawlins here, and welcome to Huntington Beach, California for the global unveil of the all-new 2025 three-row VW ID Buzz, dating back to 1950. Today is also known as International VW Bus Day. We're being joined by over 200 proud owners and their precious vans, so come join me so we can get into all the excitement. The three-row ID Buzz is represented by efficient packaging with modern functionality, oversized and illuminated VW logos, two-tone colors such as Cabana Blue with an optional white top, spacious enough for the entire family and pets, and increased visibility where the driver and passengers see everything from the inside.
Out here, man, this is really my dream car, man. I think everybody has their own dream car. This one for me is a Volkswagen. Was looking for one, found it, and was like, hey, I gotta have it. And this is why I'm here today, and this is why I'm a part of this, because I'm a Volkswagen lover. I already love electric vehicles, and they're coming out with a VW bus. Like, why not? You know what I mean? So as I started to do more research, you know, I was like, yeah, I can't wait. And then they were like, oh, it got released in Europe. And I was like, all right, when is it coming to North America? The ID Buzz is where it's at, man. And I think, you know, as we go and push forward through the future, you know, electric car is where it's at. And why not have a Volkswagen electric car on top of that?
Tailor-made for North America, the ID Buzz is longer, has a bigger battery pack, and features more power than the European two-row ID Buzz.
Well, the original Volkswagen bus means freedom to me. It means go anywhere attitude, young and energetic. And I think they found it with the new ID Buzz.
Step inside the digital cabin of the Volkswagen ID Buzz to a uniquely theatrical setting, imaginative technology, and comforts utilizing all things digital.
Yeah, I think it was, you know, when they did the original concept and everybody loved that, I think they managed to transition this into production, and it looks pretty much like the modern version of the old one. You know, electric cars don't really have emotion right now, and this is going to tie the two together and excite people to actually be excited about an electric car. Everybody that likes the bus, everybody loves it.
Modern features include a 12.9-inch touchscreen display, 8 USB-C ports, an expansive panoramic glass sunroof, 14-speaker Harman Kardon premium audio system, and 3 interior design packages, along with 8 vibrant exterior hues.
Born and raised here in Southern California. Been surfing my whole life. I happen to own the yellow and white Volkswagen bus behind us. I think paying homage to the new one is a better part of the new one is a great concept. The EV car is satisfying needs that the people want. But owning the old one, you know, I guess I'm older, so I guess I want an older one. But the new one could have an option in the future.
Thank you for joining us for the nostalgia and the energy as we go from the past into an electric future with the VW ID Buzz, which begins production in 2024. For more auto reviews, make sure to stay tuned in to The Weekend Drive.